Today we will talk about Zoom in PowerPoint. It is a kind of organization for the presentation. Click on Insert, then Zoom, then Slide Zoom. We select the slides to use in Zoom. Then we press Insert. The selected slides will appear, organizing them. Run. Clicking on one of them will open its slide. And because this is the last slide, the show will end. But if we click on another slide, it is possible to select slides to the last one. And if we want to go back to the Zoom slide after clicking on the slide, we click on the slide Zoom, then return to Zoom. Likewise for the others. When running, the Zoom will be returned again after pressing any of them. Thus, we can display all slides through one screen. And if we want to insert a shape for any Zoom, we click on Insert and then choose any shape. Then we put the Zoom in the chosen shape. When running, the Zoom will appear in the selected shape. We can modify the design for Zoom. Click on Zoom and then choose the preferred design. Likewise for the shape. Which will appear when running based on what was selected. When changing the slide background, it will appear in the Zoom. To remove the background, we press Zoom, then Zoom background. Thus, the background of the slide disappears from the Zoom and does not appear when displaying. There is what is called section zoom. In order to use it, several sections must be made as follows. Click on Insert, then Zoom, then Section Zoom. And when you click on it, the sections that have been created will appear. We select the sections and then press Insert. When running, the zoom associated with the selected sections will be displayed. Here, the sections, including the slides, appear. To create a zoom summary, create a new slide, then zoom, then summary zoom. Then we select all the existing slides and then press Insert. We will notice the inclusion of all the slides and provide a place to write the title. It is possible to change the title as follows. When running, it will display all the selected slides in the zoom summary, which can display any slide. Thus, all slides were placed in one slide that could be navigated through. To change the zoom image, click Zoom, then Change Image. Then select an image and press Insert. We will notice the change of the zoom image. When running and pressed, it will display the link slide, and when returning, the zoom image will appear. This displays an image that is different from the slide. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to get the new videos. And visit us at Fairs Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.